Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video we will create Gmail account absolutely free. So first of all you need to open Gmail. After successfully opening the gmail.com, you can find the create new account button. Click for myself. Write here your name. You can write any name, for example Ahmad Ali. Here you can write your unique email address, for example Ahmad Ali 1122. It will show it's already taken. So we need to write here to okay, it's also taken, right? Okay, it will be fine. Write your password here. You can see your password here. Sign in instead if you have already email address. So click next. Don't save. Here you can write the number according to your mobile. I have my own phone number. I'm writing here. After successfully verified your number, you will see this page will be appear. Write your date of birth, for example day to month to 1990. Gender, select your gender, male or female or custom. You can write female, etc, etc. Click to the next button. You can find the here terms and conditions or privacy policies for using Gmail account. Click agree. After clicking on agree, you will find the inbox will be appear in the front of you. Now your email has been successfully created. Now you will find here your email. Click onto here logo. At the right top side, your email will appear here. Look at this here email address. Copy or save. Thank you for watching. I'm going to sign out here. Thank you.